Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a Ninja Turtles popsicle. Donatello is going to start by going up and over at the top of his head. Now get the other side and draw a bump that goes out and curve it all the way down. On the other side, there's going to be little bite marks taken out. Bump, bump, bump. And stop wherever you want the bite marks to end. Now go down and touch the bottom. At the top, bring a line over and in. And kind of follow the same bump that goes around and hit the end. Now I want to start with the gumball eyes. You could put them wherever. I'll put one right there and another circle right here. Looks good. Now make a curve inside and a curve on top, kind of like a little moon. You want the gumball to be shiny. Another curve and then a curve on top like a moon. Now for Donny's mask, you go up and hit the top. Draw like a little curve at the bottom and a bump up where his nose would be, and then go all the way up, 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 and hit the top. Let's work on his mouth. The mouth, just make it kind of weird curved lines, like a V. And then go down. And bring it down. Looks great. Now for the popsicle stick, go down and then bring the other side around, curved at the bottom. Kind of make it 3D by putting a line and making it touch. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.